live on YouTube. It should be going up as a vertical stream ideally. So I'll go over there and confirm. If that works, I'll populate the room ID. All right, cool. Looks like we're up on multiple sources here, both in vertical and horizontal. So I'm just going to go ahead and populate the live chat video ID. If we're lucky enough to have someone hop on tonight, it'll read their messages out in real time. Let me get that configured. Apologize for the poor room choice here. This is a matter of just ensuring configuration works as expected. Start polling. All right, cool. I'll do a test from YouTube live chat. See if that works. And then we could get started on working on Twitch integration. Free subscribers, man. Bloody rocking it. Love it though. Literally talking into the void. Message sent.
Testing.
Reads out. Should be reading out to the stream. Cool. So, it's the way to try a countdown for work. I have a disgusting hoppy beer. Not my favourite thing in the world. But that's okay. We'll give it a go. Much prefer the iron brew. My computer here seems to be holding a handle on the stream a wee bit better. Keyframe frequency 4 seconds or less. So it's sucking a wee bit for YouTube. Makes sense why I've not picked it up. That's why I picked a late hour to test all this stuff. Let's see what I can configure here. It's Twitch. Yeah, I don't think it's going to give me too much control. Drop this down to 4,000 kilobits per second. All right. Let's see how that does. No adopt key. All right. Let's just read out some of the notes I have here tonight. Since this is going to record in for a long form video. But my main goal is to be able to record long form development as well as stream a wee bit live on YouTube vertical. I have a very small channel. Want to get picked up to show some folks what I'm working on. So what is this? This is Kinto. What is Kinto.io? Let me see if I can navigate around all this crap on my desk. It's webrtc. This is cool. Brilliant handwriting. It's great when it's all amplified, isn't it? But that's okay. So this is a webrtc stream platform. Live chatters on YouTube and soon to be Twitch are represented as little avatars in this room here. Let's see if I can pull that into view. All these little rooms and areas are programmed.
Is this C++?
What is up, buddy? Let me see who's saying that. Karmic Debt. This is JavaScript here. So this project is coded in Node.js and JavaScript. Do you do any programming yourself? Just hopping on for a test tonight. It's quite late here. But as you heard, your comment was read right into the game. You got a wee virtual avatar. I think that's you up here. Let me see if I can select it. So this little guy up here.
Tonight? You're not in Scotland.
Ha! No, I'm not in Scotland. Let's give that away. Funny enough, it's not showing in my chat here. No. What time is it for you, buddy? It is 2:53 a.m. here. Try to get it.
I know little bit, just little bit.
Here. What are you trying to do with C++? Are you doing any game stuff? Anything like that? Or what you got going on? I'll tell you a wee bit what I got going on. I see it now, buddy.
You can't see my message? Is it just mine?
And you should hear it being read into the stream as well. Let me know if that works, because I spent quite a bit of time coding that. Currently, it only works for a YouTube live chat. Starting tomorrow, if I get on earlier, I'll work on a Twitch plugin. Let's see. Oh, you're floating in the water over here. You see you're almost invisible? That's you. So any messages you
can
send,
hear it.
Brilliant. Yeah, if you type, let me post the commands actually. Let me get my notes over here. 2 seconds. All right. So in the chat, I've only got a few commands programmed right now. It's kind of painful moving your user around. Like you have to type move down, move down, move down. But it's also available on web. So what's going on here It's a little 2D avatar chat, right? It looks really simple, and in many ways it is.
Thought I was shadow banned. Codes came on earlier and people kept skipping my messages but reading others.
Yeah, so I had to click live chat, not top chat, to get your message to show. I definitely understand the whole shadow banning thing. Like, that's definitely affects me. Like, when I post comments and stuff, very rarely they get noticed. All right. So this is the in-game chat. Bear with me on the UI here. I've got like 2 instances of
Cheers,
this.
mate. New sub.
Appreciate you very much, buddy. I really do. That's what it's all about. Where are you hailing in from? So some of the stuff I'm going to be going into is the media sharing stuff here. It makes it really easy to bring in guests to kind of like host little shows or whatever. I haven't really got to demonstrate that too much, but there is at least one example on my channel of that. It's all just recent. I've actually started talking about this publicly. I've been coding this for way too long. Not comfortable admitting how long, but you can share your microphone in the world and it populates the stream. Obviously, if I'm doing that, I'd want to make sure it's someone that's chill coming on. Can share my cameras and my video capture cards, so that's pretty sweet. Like if I click this, OBS virtual camera, bear the noise. It sets the background as that. I don't know why it's so skewed looking. I'll have to figure that out later. Let's see if I could pull something else in here. Maybe the Steam Deck. Not that one. Oh yeah, most of my time is definitely spent debugging. All right, so I have a wee alert down here. What I can demonstrate though is sharing desktop. So the reason I wanted to do this was to make it so I could wirelessly feed in video cameras.
Hello potential buyers, would you like to buy my totally legal shirts?
Ye is signed in the chat. You see what's going on with his bloody Twitter, man? What a mess. I think he's banned now. So these are all my windows I have open. Nothing too bad. But like I could share another thing. So I could literally share OBS into the little game world I coded here. I click share. It creates a little
New
video
sub,
tile up here.
not tech savvy at all. I dated or was used by a guy who coded.
Oh no, what do you mean used? You have to give details on that one. Right, there's my OBS configuration. So that's what I was testing tonight. Doing vertical streams over there and doing horizontal streams so I could try record some videos, but definitely appreciate the sub. And just hopping on for a few minutes tonight. I already broke my rule, but got a wee bit of beer to finish. It's absolutely disgusting. Don't know what it is with this bitter stuff. For those from the UK, this is what I really prefer. I have to import this stuff over here. Although they cut the sugar content, which wasn't too impressive. But this background, basically, like I'll maybe demonstrate it tomorrow, invite a friend on, he'll share his screen, share some stuff with us.
Is that a coder thing, using girls when you don't even like them?
I hope not. It could be age related. But I do think coders are probably a little bit batty in some ways, just because of like how configure the stuff is they do. Would they at least work on anything cool? I'm very curious about these totally legal shirts, Mr. Snickerdoodle. All right, let's see what else we got here. Just quickly run through this because I can't stay up too late. I screw myself in each day. I wake up and it's so bloody hard to get up for work. Really not fun. And the weekend just obliterates so quickly. All right, so 10 features here. Real-time chat readouts. This little 2D world reads out the live chat messages in real time. I could go through the code there in the future if anyone's interested. Each live chatter gets an avatar that they can control. I'm not used to the screen being inverted. You can customize your avatar, so there's like clothing options. I appreciate you.
Joking. Anyway, you take it easy.
You too, and appreciate the sub. Have a good one, yeah? Stay away from the programmers. There's interactive chat commands like wardrobe, jump, move left, move right, stuff like that. Guest collaboration, you can easily pull people into a stream. I'll demonstrate this tomorrow when the dog's fed and happy. I showed the screen sharing tools a bit. It's easy to wirelessly share cameras and stuff. Don't have to pay anything to do that. If you worked with OBS or any of those tools, try to like set up multiple camera angles and stuff. It's kind of a pain for a live stream. So I coded a way around that. There is mobile applications as well. I'm in the process of restoring them. Very funny story, I'll save for another time. If you know about OBS, this whole thing easily integrates with it. That's what I've done here. It's peer-to-peer using webrtc. So instead of using a central server to send chat messages and stuff like that, or like media streams, I don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about bandwidth, server stuff. Just offload that onto YouTube or Twitch, which is very nice. And these little spaces here are customizable. So as I finish up here tonight, I appreciate anyone hopping on. It did. Let me see. I have to go on my other computer here. Let's move a light around the room. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so these little rooms are fully customizable. And I could take some time another night and show some of the stuff people have created on this as I've been working on it. And yeah, I appreciate you hopping on tonight. I think this was a good wee test. I was kind of nervous about getting out here and doing this, but I've had a good time with it so far. And yeah, have a great night, great day. Cheers, buddies.